YouTube, what's going on, you guys? I just got blessed by JRL. They gave me a bunch of things here. I gambled and I was like, you know what? They're probably gonna give me a clipper and a trimmer, and I'm gonna give myself a self haircut with this to showcase their tools. If you've ever been interested in learning how to cut your own hair, this video's for you. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers, which is pretty crazy. My goal is to really serve you guys and to build a community around this channel. For you guys that don't know, I do cut in Long Beach, California. I charge $100 for a haircut, and I do classes on the side as well. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love that I've gotten this far, and I'll catch you guys in the video. All right, guys, so one by one, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. This looks fire. I think this is a trimmer. Right here. This is like a gym bag slash clipper bag, like a little duffel bag. I'll probably take this on a trip. Little straps, this is dope. My favorite part of this whole thing is probably gonna be this. I need this FP 2020L hair dryer kit. Wow. This is gas. What is the water bottle with the blow dryer? We got the attachments and a little baggie. It's pretty crazy. Let's say 300, 400. I mean, these guys blessed me with like probably like $1,000 worth of equipment. This is crazy. This is all the equipment that I'll be using for the haircut. I appreciate JRL. I'm gonna do a new hairstyle on myself. I'm gonna do a mid fade with no hooks, taking you guys step by step with these tools. So let's jump right into the tutorial, guys. All right, guys, so first step, I'm gonna basically go from right here, which is the temple peak area, and I'm gonna dip this all the way back over here towards the occipital bone. I'll be breaking down my three-step process on how to give yourself a haircut. Closing the lever, these are not adjusted, so I'm gonna close the lever. I'm super nervous right now. Huh? I wanna cry. So from right here, let's get back to it. So once we set that line, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that bolt. I'm gonna follow this line. My occipital bone is right here. So I'm gonna go about a finger below the occipital bone. We set that line. We're gonna go underneath it with our trimmer, and just basically, we're just cleaning up this area right here. Use your trimmer about, let's say 80% of this line right here. So we're just cleaning up that stubble. All right, so once you guys clean up that bald line, we're gonna set our foundation. So the next couple of steps, we're just gonna be setting guidelines. We're gonna go from the biggest guard, which is the 3 guard with the lever open. We're gonna go about, I'd like to say almost 3 fingers. So to the parietal ridge areas right here, the corner of my head, we're gonna dip it all the way down. So anytime you guys go no hooks, you guys are essentially gonna go higher on your fade. Scooping out, guys, you guys wanna graze the clipper right here and slowly release out. So it's scooping out or feathering. So we're going about almost 3 fingers, guys. I'm gonna chop some of these curls down. Now, with the lever open, this makes the half. So I'm gonna go a finger above, and we're gonna replicate the same guideline. So how we're gonna blend that out, we're gonna go from the open position to the closed position. We're only gonna be working from here to here. So my lever is open. We're gonna put it down a notch, which makes it a little bit sharper. Now it's the 3/4 position. Let's go midway. We're gonna attack the midway point of the line. Go a quarter. This is almost all the way closed. We're almost just gently tapping the line right there. I'm gonna close it all the way and just gently baby tap the beginning of the line right there. So once that side is blended, guys, let's just repeat the same thing on this side. So I have my lever closed. We're gonna start with the closed. You guys can start in any position that you guys want. Midway now. So we're going from closed to open. Anytime you guys put the lever in the middle, you guys have to hit the line in the middle. Now I'm gonna open it a little bit, 3/4 open. We're almost hitting the full line. Now all the way open. Once you guys are finished blending that out, we're gonna go 1 guard, lever open. When you open up the lever, it makes the half. You put the 1 guard, now we're working with the 1.5. We're gonna go a finger above like the previous step. We got a 1 finger line with a 1 guard lever open. We're gonna close our lever and go close to open, and we're gonna tap the line and work our way up into this line. But that's not gonna blend out the whole line, right? So we're gonna go close to open with the 1 guard and then close to open with the 0.5 guard. It's kind of tough to see the line though, I'm not gonna lie. Because these clippers aren't 0 gap, so we're not giving ourselves that much of a, I guess you can say, tight fade. It is skin though, it is a 0, but it's not as sharp as it would be if the clippers were 0 gapped. Here, my lever's closed. I'm gonna put the lever in the middle. You guys notice my hair does grow in different directions, so you guys have to go against the hair growth. 3/4 open. Then I'm just gonna close it again, and it's a little dense spot right here. My hair gets a little more denser in the back. The JRL clippers also come with the 0.5 guard. I'm gonna go ahead and baby tap the line right here. But remember, we're working with a finger's length with the lever open. Keep in mind with the half guard, we're only going to that midway point. We're not going all the way up. So take your time with the 0.5 guard. It gets a little trickier. Repeat the same thing on the back side. My lever's closed. Hitting barely the beginning of the line. Gonna go up a little bit. Now it's 1/4. So guys, this is just the second part of this video, I guess you can say, because the first part was setting guidelines. The second part is blending. The last part is gonna be detail work. So my lever's all the way open now. We got 1 more step left, the 2 guard lever open. We're gonna use 2 guards to blend the line out. We're gonna go a finger above. Gently scooping out. So we're scooping out to that 3 guard lever open that we made in the beginning of the video. That's why it's important to have that foundation set. So this could be the last guard that you guys use. Next, we're gonna close it. Just gently just tap that line right there. My thing already looks blended. You guys don't wanna go all the way up. Just tap the beginning of the line. All right guys, so now we're gonna go open to close with the 1.5 guard. This is gonna be the last step. After this, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my beard. I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'll show you guys the end result. So if you guys also wanna see how I do my beard, or if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below, and I'll make a separate video next week on how to line up and trim your beard. And maybe I can make that like a fast tutorial where you guys can do it in under 5 minutes or something. So let me know down below. We'll just go close to open or open to closed in this last guideline that we blended with the 2 guard lever open. The last step, guys, I'm gonna grab my shears and I'm gonna start point cutting. So this is part of the detailing process. We're gonna point cut and then we're gonna go again with the trimmer. And what this is, we're aiming for dark spots. Your clippers are not gonna get every single little hair, guys, so it's important to go back in detail, especially after you guys take a shower. You guys will be able to see all your mistakes. Once you guys detail with your shears, we're gonna go in with our trimmer.